tools that make it tick, or tools which are a trick of the entire market in order for you to make money. In this course, the tools are free for you to use. So I'm not like others going to tell you to go and sign up to ClickBank and other rest of expensive tools. However, I'm giving to you the access for you to go ahead and get your hands on free tools. Not tools that within 47 days or 14 days you're going to pay for. No 14 days free trial, no 30 days free trial. Right? You're getting tools directly free in this entire course overall. So now that I've said and done, let me go to the other point because you don't need a credit card. You don't need to worry about paying for anything. So let me jump into all this. What I need is for you to start making money. So there is no need to be panicked entirely about tools that make it tick, or tools which are a trick of the entire market in order for you to make money. Now that I've said and done, to be clear with you, you don't have to purchase anything. There is nothing you have to worry about. I am going to talk with you step by step about funnel building, email service provider, email sequence, campaign, and so on. Now, I'm just going to dive into all this entire thing and let you know. In order for you to make this affiliate marketing system work, you're creating a system that will be working for you even when you're away, when you're asleep, even when you are with your spouse having this wonderful time. This system will be working for you. This system will be your sales rep, definitely selling your product. So, what you need here is an entire funnel. And many of you may not know what a funnel is, but a funnel is an entire journey that you take your customer on until the very moment they purchase. And even after they purchase, your funnel does not stop there. Your funnel keeps sending them to a system that give them your offers, give them information, give them definitely things to help them along their way. So your funnel, as I said, your entire system is your sales rep that keep working for you. You don't have to pay a salary fee to your sales rep. You don't have to say to your sales rep, why you disobey my orders, and you don't have to be in always conflict with your sales rep. This sales rep, you train the sales rep exactly to work the way you want that sales rep to work. Entirely, that sales rep is so obedient that you have the best sales rep to do your business. Email service provider is your entire messages that you sending out on a daily basis. So a funnel have the broadness at the top, collecting all these potential customers. They see what you're all about, what your information is, what you have to offer, and the entire journey that you take them on. Some may decide to jump off this. So the funnel become more narrow and narrow, going down to the point which those are buyers. Those buyers keep being buyers. As you connect this email system automation to your funnel and keep serving your people, you keep receiving your commissions daily. That's what these tools are about. Now, the next tool that you need definitely to send these people into the funnel are going to be areas where your traffics are from: YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, whatever. Even if you got to buy leads like from Udemy, this course is not for you to really spend any money. These are just the tools. I will be showing you definitely how to jump into TikTok, YouTube, Quora, Pinterest, Instagram, and all of those. Let's just make things work on the next video.